Meaning of ENSA.
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 ENSA. ENSA is an acronym that stands for École Nationale des Sciences Appliquées. It is a public engineering school located in Morocco, offering programs in various fields such as computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. The school has a strong reputation for academic excellence and research, and has partnerships with many companies and institutions around the world. Through its rigorous and innovative curriculum, ENSA aims to train the next generation of engineers who can contribute to societal development and technological advancement.